Rugengira kuria mwena wa Narok kuria Wiandikithia wa Makurutu uthiaga uriri uragithie na mbere namba ya aria meyumiritie Narok ya rugongo irari thi muno kuona no anake atano na muiritu umwe maroirwo mugaru na kaunti iria ingi murugamiriri munene wa woyoyo mundu gwitwo Mwangi augite Makurutu aingi matiakuite marua maria mendekaga na gucungiriria aingi kuinuka akiariria akana akoretwo akiuga ni uriti atongia cigo itiganite ikoro ikimenyithia muingi riria maundu ta macio marathi na mbere niguo kwihariria hari na kahinda.
We only have one, and unfortunately it is a known case that keep on reappearing every time. We have one candidate who keep on changing his ID card. We have been able to get hold of him. Last year he was here, he was caught, he was handed over to police, and even today when we came, we met the guy. Now he have completely new ID card with a different ID number. We have taken up that issue with the police, and we are definitely going to follow up the issue so that we are able to understand how is this guy able to procure a new ID card, because he is trying to cheat his way into to KDF. But the good thing is that we have very good intelligence system, and we are able to catch up with the guy.
Is it a man or a lady?
He's a man. Let's leave that to the police, and they will be able to follow up, and we will get to know what is happening. According to the other stations where we have passed, we expected the highest turnout here in Narok. But it happened, this is where we have experienced the lowest turnout, both for men and women. And even those that were able to turn out, we were able to notice that most of the candidates were not even aware of the documents that they are supposed to come with. And immediately we arrived here at 6, we were able to alert them. Some of them were able to go back and come with the documents, but it seems like there was no, the information was not able to trickle down well. And as a senior recruiting officer, I would like to request the local administration and readers, whenever we have such an exercise, it is good to ensure that at every level the population is well alert.